Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Florachain token. Now the Florachain token just got listed on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is FYT. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Florachain. So it says Florachain is the name of the token, all one word. FYT is the ticker symbol. Token price today is sitting at about $3. It's actually up 66.2% today, doing very well. Florachain.org is their official webpage. They also have a full white paper listed on CoinGecko, along with their BSC scan, since this is a Binance Smart Chain. They have a Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, GitHub, price chart, contract address. All of that is available now on CoinGecko. They also have a place where you could stake your tokens. If you go over to stake.florachain.org, you could stake your tokens there. So how do you get this token? It is listed on a central exchange called MEXC. So you download MEXC from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Get it on your PC, whatever you like. Open an account. Fund your account with BUSD, which is the Binance stablecoin. So fund your account with BUSD. Go into the trade section. Search ticker symbol FYT. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if we head over to their BSC scan, it'll tell us how many holders and whatnot. It says they have 244 holders so far, 4,582 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 100,000 tokens. Now also, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, it looks like it is available on PancakeSwap, although it does not say that on CoinGecko. You could see that on their BSC scan. It's available on PancakeSwap. So you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Florachain token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, their webpage, their white paper, their BSC scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. So Florachain aims to build a game-changing decentralized ecosystem by leveraging blockchain and DeFi technology. Florachain's decentralized ecosystem consists of Flora blockchain, Flora wallet, Flora web browser, Flora yield protocol, Flora staking pool, and various official dApps such as the Flora locker, Flora swap, Flora farming pool, and Flora bridge, etc. So the Flora blockchain is a layer 1 blockchain powered by proof of work consensus. POW is a consensus mechanism that is designed to make cryptocurrencies trustless and decentralized. Any decision regarding the network and upgrade is carried out by on-chain governance. With governance miners, they can propose and vote for changes and network improvements. Flora blockchain uses the ETH-hash algorithm for mining and verifying transactions. So Flora blockchain is an Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain. Any application or smart contract that can run on Ethereum can also run on the Flora blockchain. The native coin of Flora blockchain is the Floracoin. So it says they have 5 Flora block rewards, 10-second block time, 10500 chain ID, and then 5 million Flora pre-mine. So the Flora wallet is a secure multi-chain wallet that is designed for millions of crypto users. Flora wallet is a decentralized non-custodial wallet that allows users to own and control private keys of their cryptocurrencies. Flora wallet is rich in useful features such as custom network, custom tokens, and NFT support, portfolio tracking, price alerts, etc. It can communicate to dApps through Web3 technology. That means it can be used in any kind of dApps such as decentralized exchange, farming and staking pools, launchpads, etc. So the Flora web browser is an application for browsing the internet that is specifically designed for the crypto community. It provides support to crypto-related tools, websites, and has built-in crypto wallet. Flora web browser has a user reward system that works as an incentive for using the browser. Users can earn Flora coins for using the browser. So the Flora Yield Protocol is a special yield program that lets users earn stablecoin USDT by staking a special token. So that would be what I mentioned earlier. You can find that on CoinGecko where they could stake. Flora Yield FYT token, the method of generating a sustainable yield in the protocol was invented by Florachain's founder. He invented the concept of positive yield loop and is currently experimenting it with the Flora Yield protocol. The protocol raises capital by selling FYT in a controlled manner. Yield is generated by using the capital converted to USDT and fairly distributed to FYT holders via a staking pool. The APR depends on the total USDT balance of the pool. There are two ways to generate yield in the protocol: mutual fund system or positive yield loop. So they go over the mutual fund system on their white paper here. You can check that out. And the positive yield loop and the stages, stage 1, 2, and 3, and how it works, how yield is distributed, the yield distribution ratio, and the exit policy. So there is a total supply, we already went over that, of 100,000 FYT tokens. 20% of those go to pre-sale, 50% go to system reserve, 20% team, and 10% initial liquidity. Yeah, so you can stake the token. There's the Flora Locker, where they can lock tokens for a specific amount of time. There's their own swap. It's an AMM protocol. There's the farming pool and the bridge. So you can review all of these things on their white paper. You can find the white paper listed on CoinGecko, or just go over to d.florachain.org/whitepaper/florapaper.pdf. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.